It's Rhodey and Benny.
Hey, look. Ta-da! Wow, I want to try.
Hey, guys! What are you doing?
Well...
You two troublemakers! Because of you two, I have to come back here and pour concrete again! Oh, I'm so mad!
Mickey!
Mr. Builder!
You're supposed to be getting concrete. What are you doing out here?
Well, I was going...
Mr. Builder! We were playing, and Mickey just started screaming at us and really scared us. Oh, I'm scared.
That isn't true! Mr. Builder, please just hear me out!
Be quiet. You two run along. It's not safe to play at a construction site.
Yes.
Mickey, go refill your concrete and get back here at once. Oh, there it is.
He didn't hear me out at all, and he yelled at me. Keep the concrete thin, give the drum a spin. I don't want to go back. Huh? He must be waiting for me. Mr. Builder wouldn't even listen to me. If I don't go back, then he'll be sorry he yelled at me. That'll teach Mr. Builder a great big lesson. Huh? Hey, I can hide in here. There. And if I do this, they'll never find me. He won't finish his construction today. Huh? When did it get so dark in here? No! There's no way out! I'm scared. No! It's hard and I'm trapped!
Mickey!
Huh?
Mickey,
Mr.
where are
Builder? Golly, what am I going to do? He must have been waiting for me this whole time. He's going to yell.
Now, where on earth did he go? What happened to him?
Mr. Builder!
Huh?
I am in here!
Mickey! What in the world happened?
The concrete hardened and now I can't get out! It's scary in here!
Just hang in there. I'll go call the rescue team.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Oh, they're here.
Mr. Builder!
Over there.
Holy, please help!
Don't worry, Mickey. We'll get you out of there in no time. Roy, this concrete has to go.
All right.
Mickey, stand back. This will be dangerous.
Okay.
That's good, Roy.
Yep.
Let's get this concrete out of the way. Mickey, it's all done. You can come on out.
Oh, thank you, Polly. I was mad, and I just wanted to hide, and that's what happened.
I see.
Mickey, I heard what happened from Benny and Rhodey, and I'm sorry I didn't listen to you, and I'm sorry I yelled.
I'm sorry, too.
Nah, I was just so worried about you. I'm glad you're all right.
Bruner, come on. Stop doing that.
No. To go around the lake, I would also have to go around the mountain as well.
Are you
And that would just add more time to the schedule. No.
Come on, Bruner. We're resting away tonight.
Seriously? Quiet! I can't hear myself think. And if you must keep playing that, go farther away. Got it?
Yes.
These rascals are really no help at all.
Mr. Builder's been too hard on us. How does he expect us to play quietly?
You're right. He seems really upset for some reason.
I know.
Well, it isn't the first time. He's been yelling at us every single day this week.
But I just don't understand what we're doing wrong.
If we were wrong, were we?
Hey, guys.
Hello, Amber. Hello, Jin.
Is Mr. Builder still here?
He is, but you might not want to go near him right now. He's been really cranky lately.
Hey, guys. Are you making trouble for him?
No way!
Mr. Builder, are you in there? Mr. Builder!
Jin?
Huh? Did you hear that? Huh? Mr. Builder! Oh my goodness! What's happened to you? There. You're all set. All right. I'll meet you over there.
I had no idea that he was sick.
Poor Mr. Builder. He's been stressed out over the schedule.
We didn't know that at all.
I'm sure he'll be just fine. He's finally going in for a checkup. Wait here, okay?
Sure. Thank you, Jin. We're knuckleheads.
We are. We should clean up around here before he gets back. It would be the best get-well-soon present ever that we could give to Mr. Builder.
That may be the best idea you ever had.
Well, come on then. Let's do it.
All right.
Whoa, huh? Hey, Max!
Oops.
Yay! Watch where you're going. Oh, come on. I don't see it anywhere around here. Ah, there it is. Oh, just a little bit further. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh, no. Oh, behind you. Oh.
What's going on?
I just buried Poke in a log avalanche.
There we go.
Okay, it's safe to come out.
Jen!
Hey, Max. Hello there. Have you come to register?
Yes, but I'm not exactly sure which event.
Well, come take a look at this.
Thanks. Racing, long jump, high jump, and hurdles? Oh, those events are all really hard.
All right. Have you made a decision?
No. I'll have to think about it and come back.
Remember, get back before dark, okay?
What event should I pick? Maybe I could be in the race. Yeah! I'm moving now.
Hi, Mr. Max. Bye, Mr. Max.
Or maybe not the race. But how about long jumping? Oh, okay, maybe not the long jump. Maybe I shouldn't compete at all. Oh.
Jump! Huh? Max, so did you get registered?
No.
Whoa, you look sad. That's not the way to the construction site. Where's Max going?
Good. Pack that down and it's done. Hey, I thought Max would have been back by now.
You're right. Didn't he say he was coming right back?
Huh? Rescue team, this is Jen. Mr. Builder. What, Max? Yes, he was here a while ago. What? Don't you worry. Of course we'll look for him.
We should split up and look for Max.
Okay.
Oh, Max, I saw him, but it looked to me like something was wrong. He looked really sad and then just drove off towards 7th Street.
He went towards 7th?
Holy!
Let's hurry up. Max!
Huh?
Max!
What are you doing here?
Why are you out here all alone? Is something wrong?
Yeah, Max. You never came back to register. Well, actually, I couldn't register for the competition.
You say that you couldn't register? But why not?
I'm so heavy and slow. If I tried to race, everybody would laugh at me.
That's not true. Your friends would never think like that. They like the way that you are.
I don't. I really wanted to be part of the competition, but I know that I can't. And I'm too embarrassed to tell my friends.
Oh, hey, why don't you join our preparation committee?
Preparation committee?
Yes. You don't have to compete to participate. You can help us prepare, and you can help things run smoothly.
He's right. Without good people working behind the scenes, there couldn't be any competition at all.
Come on, Max. Say that you'll join our competition preparation team, okay?
Really? Can I?
Of
course, Max.
Max, listen. There's something we need your help with right away.
How can I help?
All done.
Would you please, Max?
All right.
Wow! That the competition thanks to you.
Thank you, Max.
School bus safety.
Oh, I sure wish Jin would hurry. The kids will be out soon. Oh, Kevin and Doug are here. Hi, Scooby! Been waiting long, Scooby? No, not really. I get the window! No way! Excuse me, it isn't safe to misbehave on the bus, boys. Oh.
All right, that should do it.
What did you make this time, Jin?
Scooby asked me to come up with a boarding guard, so... Ta-da!
What's a boarding guard?
Well, it's a safety device that'll help kids get on and off the bus safely. Oh, what time is it? I was supposed to get this to Scooby. Oh.
I'll take it to him, Jin. I'm going out on patrol now.
Thank you, Poli. Scooby will be so pleased.
I hope so.
Faster, Scooby! Faster! Come on, step on it, Scooby! Please, guys, don't. Sticking your heads out the window is something you should never do. He was right, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Why can't you two just sit still when we're in here? What's the matter with you?
I'm listening to you.
Please settle down. I need to focus on driving. Please get back to your seat, Jenny. Yes, Scooby.
Kev, what's this? Hey, don't touch it. That's mine. This is the belt I wear for Taekwondo. Taekwondo?
Yep.
I'll show ya. Taekwondo!
Please stop it, boys. Scooby, I get off here. Oh, okay, Jenny.
Scooby!
Are you all right, boys? Excuse me.
Whoa! A red belt!
We're at the gym, Kevin. You need to get off here, too.
That's right! Me too! Wait for me!
Oh, Doug and Kevin are off. What a relief that is.
See you tomorrow, Scooby!
Oh, yeah.
Hey, wait up, guys!
What's wrong, Kevin?
Oh, Scooby.
Sorry. Didn't see your belt get caught. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Oh.
Hey, guys, wait up!
No, Kevin, wait!
Kevin, you know you should never run into a crosswalk. It just isn't safe.
Yeah, but I didn't see the car coming, Poli.
That's my point. You didn't follow the safety rules. Okay, can we go through them again?
Yeah!
When you get off the bus, a motorcycle or bicycle might be coming. Always look both ways first, then get off slowly. After you get off the bus, never run around the front to cross the street. Drivers can't see you, and that's dangerous. Always remember that the doors on a bus or van can be very dangerous too. If loose clothes or bags or even belts are hanging out, they can get caught in the doors. Don't let that happen to you. Always wait on the sidewalk for the bus. Never step into the street. Playing, fighting, loud talking, and leaning out the windows can distract the bus driver and cause accidents. So sit quietly and always wear your seatbelt.
Scooby, I'm sorry. Yeah, me too. I promise I'll behave from now on.
Thanks, boys, and I promise to pay even more attention to safety.
Oh, Scooby, a present for you.
A present for me? These look like wings. I'm a bus, not a plane.
A candy is caught in my throat.
Hello, Mr. Wheeler. Hi, Tracky.
Morning, Tommy. You're just in time. Have one of these fresh raspberries. Tracky gave them to me. They're just heavenly.
Mr. Wheeler!
I'm all right.
Thank goodness you're fine.
Lucy, check this out. Who's the best?
Wow! I want to try it. Oh.
Watch what I do. Ta-da!
I'll do it this time. All right! Huh? Peter, how could you eat all the popcorn?
Lucy, can I have one little chocolate? Sorry for before. No, just one?
Nope, that's not gonna happen.
Only one? I'm begging.
Fine, you can have one.
Thanks, sis.
Peter! Just give it back!
Wow, that felt bad. Lucy, you want to eat this?
Huh? Ew, that's gross!
Kids, pizza!
Yes! Peter! You eat 2 pieces at once? Stop!
You can eat just like me if you want. Last piece is mine, not yours.
You're the worst!
Lucy, what's wrong?
Peter! Well, Peter hogged almost all the pizza to himself!
Peter?
Well, it's just, you know.
Lucy, is it good?
Yeah!
Come on, I want some ice cream too.
No, sir. You ate too many snacks already. Free candy!
Huh?
Free candy for our grand opening. Yummy!
Can I have one?
Me too.
Of course, here.
Whoa, free candy!
And they're off. Welcome, help yourselves.
Thank you.
Oh,
Yummy free candy, please, ma'am.
Me too.
oh dear. It looks like there's only one piece left.
Only one.
This is mine.
Peter!
Peter! Lucy!
Stop, Peter!
What's this?
Hey! Stop! That piece of candy is mine!
That's funny. Then why is it in my mouth?
Serves you right. What's wrong?
Peter!
What's wrong, son?
The candy must be stuck in his throat.
Peter! Hang in there, Peter. Feel better?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You're lucky you're all right, Peter.
Thank you, Amber.
You're very lucky I happened to be near. That was a really close call.
I'll be careful from now on.
Peter, getting food caught in your throat is quite dangerous because it makes you unable to breathe. When you eat, you can't do it lying down. You must only eat sitting up straight. Never eat while you're walking around. Don't talk when you have food in your mouth because there's a chance the food will get caught in your throat. If food does get caught in your throat and you can't breathe, you should let someone know right away. If you can remember that, everything Everything should be fine, all right?
Oh, I will, Amber. Me too. This candy's all mine.
Lucy, can I have one? Just one?
Amber just finished explaining to you not to eat while you walk around. You already forgot.
Can I have one at home then?
Not a chance.
Lucy, please just give me one. Please.
No.
But I'm begging.